Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can freeze top row and first column in Excel. Also, I will show you how you can freeze multiple row and multiple columns in Excel. Let's start first with freezing top row. For example, I have a large data like this and I want to always see the top row. If I scroll, the top row is disappear. To fix the problem, just from view, here we have freeze points, freeze top row. Now it's easy. All data related to the top rows, you can easily make the difference and recognize them. But here again, towards the first column, if I come to here, the first column disappear. This time, if you want to freeze first column to always be appear, just freeze first column. This time, let's see. You see, first column always appear. It doesn't disappear. Good. Now, in this case, the first row, the top row is disappear. In case I want first column and top row always be appear and visible, just select this cell, this one, and freeze first and freeze pane. Let's freeze pane. This time, first top row and first column be visible always. You see? If I put cursor here and come freeze, put cursor here, for example, this two column and this three row will be visible always. Let's see. You see? Always this 0 be visible and this two column will be visible. If you want to make more row and column be visible, for example, I put cursor here. First, let's unfreeze pane. Then put cursor here. All rows above and all column before this one will become freeze when you click freeze panes. Now let's check. All rows above the cell we selected is be freezed, and all column before it become freeze. That's all about freeze in Excel. Have a nice time.